Swagbucks is a site that offers users reward points for completing surveys, polls, watching videos, searching the web and more. This site lists a huge amount of different online surveys that can be completed for rewards. Each survey will list the evaluated time it will take to finish the topic of the investigation, as well as the quantity of points you will earn. Redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. You can earn approximately 40 to 200 points per survey, with earning potential up to $50 or 5,000 points. 100 points is equal to $1. Joining is free, and new members even get a $5 joining bonus. Swagbucks is available to residents of the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, France, Spain, India, Australia, and Ireland. Trustpilot.com rates Swagbucks with a rating of 4.3.